Me have a little work right now.
Yeah.
Me need a vehicle.
You know, say all of them man there, your brother. You know, say you have to watch what you do. I pay a problem them man they create, you know.
Call the police and call me up, you know. You tell me, say, you see my bus, I speed off on crime scene last night, you know.
Your brother just come down from foreign.
Me don't know you don't know me, but we are brethren.
Can you ready to find this little bro?
You can.
No.
Melvin in the office.
See how woman right now.
You know, say,
Can't do that in a car. She did me some way like say, me a boy.
Mind you, when he first come here, and I talk to him, he tell me lie, you know, he tell lie for me, you know.
Bombard, brother! You know how long one jackpot?
You feel just go and lay low, bro, until you can straighten up yourself. You see me? And this Melvin thing, you need to lower up Melvin, bro.
You come in here, you see me watch the TV, you walk past me. I say, Marnie and the auntie take a promote and I change the stuff, and you see me watch it.
But like I said, them set up on me.
Same plan to live there forever?
It's just that in their foreign, never straight, and get deep and in the back, yeah.
You can't tell me that foreign. You send them money and them to you. Just buy a bus and go and run it and thing. You see me?
You make me have to lie to my woman, no, brother. You make me have to tell my woman, say, and me taking money to take a transport after a thing.
After me maintain.
Sheldon, give me a minute.
Call some people and collect some money, because I see enough money out there for you, you know.